Welcome to MR Stenography. Dictation will be started in 5 seconds. Start. Their salary bill, establishment, charges, emoluments, and other allowances amount to nearly 13,000 crores of rupees. Stop. If the pension bill is also added, it amounts to nearly 16,000 crores of rupees. It is the government of India's alone, and when we take the state governments, establishments, local bodies, aided institutions, and the public sector undertakings, there are more than 2 crores on their payrolls, and the total expenditure involved in it is something around 45,000 crores of rupees. Stop. Little precious has been done to reduce the expenditure of government. Stop. New para. As for the figures of the non-plan expenditure when compared to the last year's budget, the non-plan expenditure went up by 4,400 crores of rupees. Stop. If we calculate, the government of India spends something about rupees 165 crores per day and rupees 16,500 per second to run the show. Stop. This is on the expenditure side alone. Stop. And to meet this expenditure, the government resorted to higher taxation, and thereby the taxation has gone up, and subsequently the revenue receipts went up. Stop. The revenue receipts account for 76,000 crores of rupees roughly. Stop. Not satisfied with this, the government goes in for borrowing money both internally and externally. Stop. The total debt burden of the government of India is roughly about 4 lakh crores of rupees. Stop. The debt service, that is the interest payment alone, amounts to 32,000 crores of rupees per annum. Stop. So the per capita debt in India is rupees 4,200. Stop. And we add this figure to the debt of the state governments, the per capita debt goes up to rupees 6,000 or rupees 7,000, varying from one state to another. Stop. Even then, the government is not able to meet their expenses as they are living beyond their means. Stop. So, on one side, they are enhancing taxation, and on the other side, they are going for borrowings. Stop. As the money is still not sufficient, the government has resorted to deficit financing day in and day out. Dr. Manmohan Singh says that they are curtailing deficit financing. Stop. But the figures supplied by the finance minister show that the deficit financing is to the tune of 5,000 crores of rupees. Stop. But the fiscal deficit is more than rupees 34,000 crores. Stop. So, deficit financing means printing additional notes from the Nasik press. Stop. Whenever any individual issues a check without having the requisite balance in his account, the check is dishonored. Stop. But the government goes on printing notes without any legal sanction. Stop.